boys, making my way to the train station. I think I'm gonna take the tube downtown to the financial district because that's where we're having brunch. I have a little time to kill, so I may go in this bookstore. Not that I need another book, but I could browse. I really just got close there. It's a lot of cool places around here, but yeah, it's still very early and brunch is not for another like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna wait. We'll go in here and check out some books and then walk around some more until Sawu gets in the area, and then brunch time. Just finished at the museum. I got this really pretty lychee blossom drink from the museum. It's like too cute to drink. It's too cute to drink.
I know. You almost just want to keep it.
Just keep it for decor.
I know, but it's gonna go bad.
And it will. So I may try it out when I get home. Oh yeah, I have some from I think Anthropology. This bag is cute.
Oh, that looks like good.
Because I was just seeing today, you see how I have my book in here and lucky it fit, but I wanted to bring my film camera and I didn't have enough space for it. So I was like, I need bigger purses. Cute. And I like that it has 2 straps like this. But it feels cheap. We'll be getting that one. Yeah. Well, you have to tuck it or something. Yeah.
Okay, I'll rather just tie it.
Tie it, yeah. I like that. Ah, it's so cute. It's so cute. Back home, as you can see from my background, it's 8 p.m. so it's quite late. So I did want to try the drink that I got at the Mercer Labs place before I close it out for today, because I've had it ever since I got it and I didn't try it, so let me try it on camera. We got it. It says half full. I don't know what that is in some type of like digital lettering, and it just says Mercer Labs, Museum of Art and Technology. Since I carry it around all day, I don't know how sparkling it is. Got a straw. It's quite good. Okay, it's not as sparkling as it would have been if I drank it earlier, but it's quite good. Need to eat something and then shower and get in bed and read my book. So see you guys tomorrow or the next day. Bye. it's a new day from when I think the last clip you saw was me like sitting down eating dinner that I cooked. It's a few days later. That shows you like my brain function level right now. I'm about to do this loop mask. It's a brightening one. I ordered some pizza because I didn't feel like cooking today, nor did I have any ingredients in my fridge to make anything. So I ordered pizza and I want to sit down and have that while I watch a movie or a TV show. And yeah, I had plans on vlogging more of my week, but I wasn't feeling well, and it's very hard to like be creative when you don't feel 100% health-wise. So I just took that time off, but I did try to record some things. So with that being said, I think I'm going to close out the vlog here. This is Cricket, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And also I wanted to say that I'm so happy that my first fashion video since I restarted this channel got so many views. Like the watch time is obviously something I still have to work on, but if you guys haven't seen it, go check it out. I did like 5 Pinterest inspired spring looks, and yeah, I'm really into fashion, so it's nice to have that little area on my channel. Obviously vlogs will still be the primary video style here because that's just like easier to film sometimes, but yeah, there will be fashion videos here and there. So I hope you guys like that and don't mind it rather. And yeah, I'm going to continue to do them. I don't know when the next time I will film one, but it will be somewhat soon because spring and summer is like literally my favorite time to dress. Nonetheless, let me stop rambling because it's like 2 minutes and 50 seconds of me talking about nothing really. But anyway, thank you guys for sticking around. I'm about to go sit on the couch and enjoy my weekend because it's been a crazy few weeks for me, and your girl needs to take a chill pill. So that's what I'm gonna do. Never forget the neck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.